Welcome to Turnin and Burnin, #1 channel, all things blue collar. A public service announcement. This video is already aired. Wright Stuff Family Adventures. Just want to let y'all know so you know when you see all the references watching this video, that is why. I'm bringing this series, the Labor of Love series, 1969 Firebird build. I'm bringing this series to Turnin and Burnin. Enjoy.
What's up? How's everybody doing? Welcome back to Wright Stuff Revolution with Wright Stuff Family Adventures. Today's day one, working on the 1969 Firebird, Labor of Love. Gotta start somewhere. I'm gonna tear the hood off, the fenders, radiator support, trunk lid, try to get to the doors. I want y'all to come along with me while I document this, start taking everything apart, getting her ready to go, stripping her down so we can start restoring her. Stay tuned. Alright, so here's what we're dealing with today. Here, go ahead and remove these bolts, get this hood off. Come on in here and start removing all the bolts, get the fenders off. Try to get this front end all removed. Work around, try to get these doors off. And hopefully this trunk lid, we'll see where we get by the end of the night. Just working little by little on her. Just trying to get everything stripped down so we can move on to the next part. Out. I went ahead and left the hinges on there. I can do those later. Everything's already out. The fender wheel's already out. Pull this loose. Watching the bottom there. Voila! Fender number 1 out of the way. Short work of getting the fenders off. Like I said, I got all new hardware, so not really bothered too much by it. And I've already put these fenders on once many years ago, so everything was pretty easy to take off. I'll take the radiator core support out. This is actually a fiberglass one that I purchased because at one time I was going to make this kind of into more of a race car, so I was trying to lighten everything up. But this thing's really, really flimsy, as you can see, and I think that I'm not going to use it, so there she's out. Alright, that front is ready to come out. I had one bolt right here that was stripped, so I cut it with a grinder. As you can see, all these bolts, they're like carriage bolts, so they have the square in the back that holds them in. And that one was spinning inside the square, but nothing that the trusty old grinder couldn't take care of. Everything is correct. We'll pull this whole piece off. And that is everything. As you can see, the front end of a 1969 Firebird is really not that difficult to take apart. Just your bolts, your fenders, hood, radiator support, and I took this whole front end off in one piece just to make it easier to pull apart. At this point, I'm just trying to get everything pulled apart so I can start looking at everything and see what I want to purchase new, what I want to repair, just get everything open. Mainly because I have something special coming in the mail in a few days. Hopefully, a brand new front end clip, new suspension, the whole nines to go in here. So I just want to get everything stripped down and moved out of the way so I can start working on it. So that's the front end. She's out of there. We're gonna move on to the doors and pull this piece off. So join me back in the middle of the car. Alright, next, we're going to go ahead and get these doors pulled off. They are pretty heavy. I know I don't have really any other way other than brute force. I do have a forklift, but I think I'm just going to do it by hand. Just takes 4 bolts. Obviously that one only has 3. And another 4 on the bottom, and that one only has 2. So we're going to remove those and pull the doors. Just like that, the doors are off. They were actually a lot lighter than I thought. I pulled the glass out of them. But as you can see, it's just these bolts here. So I've really opened this thing up. Almost have every piece off that I wanted to get to this evening. Just to kind of open her up and start evaluating everything. Last piece I got is the trunk lid. That should be easy breezy. Well, day one's over. Hope I didn't bore you with this video. Everything's pretty simple. Pulling fenders, hoods, doors, everything off. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up, kind of take a look at everything, evaluate everything that I have. Kind of see what I need to do, start making a list. I did see some rust spots when I pulled the fenders out that I'm going to have to address. And I know there's some rust spots on the floor pans and the trunk that I'm going to need to address. So I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning up, take a look at what I need to do, and next time you join me, I'm probably going to try to take the wiring harness out and maybe this front and rear end out of here. Just kind of see where it takes me day by day. So if you want to follow me along in this journey, kind of check out this this build, this labor of love build. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and come along, check it out. I hope not to bore you. It's just going to be kind of step by step in the journey, getting this Phoenix to rise again, bringing her back to life. Little by little, step by step, and maybe you'll learn something from it. And if you got any comments to leave, go ahead and leave them down in there. Any suggestions, maybe paint colors, wheels, anything like that, just let me know. Other than that, see you in the next video. Alright, Alrighty. Check this off the list here.